Hello, I'm Nancy Ockenden and I work as the Science Coordinator on the Endangered Landscapes programme. The Endangered Landscapes programme aims to restore natural processes, species and habitats to degraded landscapes across Europe by funding a range of projects. As part of their proposal, all projects are asked how they use evidence in their decision making. In addition, all the projects that we fund are asked to design and implement a test of an intervention. We're now going to hear about how such testing is carried out in the field at one of our projects, Cairngorms Connect in Scotland.
Cairngorms Connect is a landscape-scale restoration project in the Highlands of Scotland. It brings together 4 partners, which are RSPB Scotland, Wildland Limited, Forestry and Land Scotland and Nature Scot, working together on a 200-year vision for the future. They're working towards habitat restoration and restoring ecological processes and natural systems over 600 square kilometres. Part of the work is also monitoring and testing different interventions to help with habitat restoration.
So I'm standing here in one of the Deadwood Creation Trial plots. It's quite a dense former plantation, trees are really quite close together, and over time some deadwood has been arising naturally. As you can see, some trees have been blown over, some trees have snapped off, and this is basically what we're going to be emulating in the Deadwood Creation Trial project. We'll be killing trees with 3 main methods that are used in conservation management in all sorts of places. So this is pulling trees over with a winch, cutting trees down with a chainsaw, and removing a ring of bark around the tree so that it eventually dies naturally or unnaturally. And at each of these Deadwood Creation Trial Management plots, we're testing these 3 different methods of deadwood creation by killing a group of trees by each method in separate plots and monitoring the beetle community at each of those plots. We're using these vane trap design with 2 perspex panels that insects fly into, fall into the funnel and then fall into the collecting fluid. And we're running these traps throughout the summer months from May until the end of September to pick up changes through the season as well.
By testing interventions in this way, the results can be used by projects in their own adaptive management. In addition, sharing the results with the wider restoration and conservation community increases our understanding of what does and doesn't work and can ultimately improve practice.